let's do your left hand first. So your left hand is overhand like this on the side. I just want you to practice this first. Do a figure 8 to the inside. And as you do the figure 8, stick your fingers out like this, but don't let it cross all the way to the other side. Let it cross in front of your nipple line of your left hand. So if I'm mirroring you with my right hand here, I'm here like this. I'm gonna cross to here. And when I cross to there, I stick out my fingers so that the poi can go around my hand and I can make it shorter. Now release to the outside, and we're gonna do that again. So you're overhand on the outside and figure 8 inside, wrap it up, pinch it, and release to the outside, full length, and figure 8 to the inside, wrap it up and pinch it, and release to the outside. There we go. And figure 8 to the inside, wrap it up and pinch it, and release to the outside, and figure 8 to the inside, wrap it up and pinch it, release to the outside. Let's do the other hand. It'll be the same thing, only with this one, your right hand, you're gonna come inside the inside plane here and line it up with your right nipple, not your left nipple. So each one would be shortened and in line with its own side of the body until you get comfortable putting it together in one straight line in the middle. So with your right hand, bring it in, wrap, pinch, release to the outside. That one looks like it's much more comfortable already. And figure 8 to the inside, wrap and pinch and release. Okay, now if you try it with both of them like this, even if you do it at the same time, 5, 6, 7, 8, bring it in, wrap it up, and then split the time and go into your buzzsaw. So you're on the outside here, 5, 6, 7, 8. They both figure 8, both hands go out, wrap it up, then split the time. Already better. Release to the outside, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Figure 8 to the inside, and bring it to the outside again. Full length, 5, 6, 7, 8. Figure 8, wrap it up, pinch, make it into your buzzsaw. Release to the outside, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Figure 8, and bring it to the outside. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it to the inside, pinch it, split the time if you need to, release to the outside, sync it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Figure 8, bring it to the inside, split the time, do your buzzsaw. Now let's connect it. Now that you can do this part of it, let's connect it to the sweep because it's slightly different. You're starting here and you're coming over the top. As you come over the top, that's when you come to the inside, and as you're coming down from the top, you wrap your hands. So if I show you from that angle, I'm coming up over the top, and I let my fingers wrap and I pinch as it comes over my head. And then, did you see the distinction I was making into the camera? Okay. And the point of sticking your fingers out like this is that it bisects the plane of the poi, which is what forces it to wrap around.